This is training how to make pizza.
Bring your sauce. Sauce supposed to be 1 ladle. How much? You have a 1 ladle, perfect. See? Middle. See? This is the style, okay? Now give me your cheese.
Thank you.
Cheese also we put here like this. See, one time and divide it. So you can understand how many cheese you use.
Okay, so
Now bring the spatula down. You need to pick up this. No need to. See, 1, 2. No need to push. See, la. See. Keep your hand. Go by my hand. See. Look at me. No need to push. Use this hold. See. That's hold. If you feel a little bit, you can make here also big little bit. See? That's going. Look, first your pizza is in the middle, so you need to go in this corner. You see? See again. At least this side you have to keep. If you don't know how to put pizza, first I'll let you know. You need to put inside here and go little. When you push like this corner is stuck in the bottom. So pizza already catch. See? Okay? You got my food or no? This one take inside. Bring the plate. Bring the food or pizza food also we need, right? See your edges, very nice, right? Inside. See, look at, come here. See. This is already broken.
chef, mushroom will put like this 1 by 2, 2 piece.
Why you not put?
If you put
Whatever,
huh?
put now. This one is nice.
Percentage and okay like this. It is okay for you.
Yeah,
Like
okay. You scared? No problem. Oh, you and me, awesome! Yay! See, Adu, come here. See, when you put this, yes, you put
This
like
is how the red turn the pizza. Wow.
they are more crunchiness and more color. See? No, put other side. Need to cut. Come, yes.
एक हाँ वो